You get to stack the discounts on these? Multiple discounts? Are you effing serious? That is insane. Holy cow. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out in Watts, one of my favorite Nike outlets. Let's go. Someone did tell me they got 2020. Let's go, hopefully. So I believe it is 20 and 20 off the back wall as well. So 20 off of everything, 20 off the back wall. But it's not off of everything. So I'm curious to see if it is off of this stuff as well. We'll find out before we leave. Because these ain't bad. The Billie Eilish Air Force Ones, a little steep though, 140. But these ain't bad. I'm not gonna lie, these ain't bad. I rarely ever get excited about Air Force Ones. But the back wall, 20 plus 20, and I have a gift card. So of course we gotta see what's up back here. See if you are a little patient. Look at this. Look at this, to be able to get these for freaking 20 off and 20 off on top. What is the math on that? Holy crap. But Bossco is like me, like dang, is that my size? Do I have to get it? Do I 128? 128, bro, because it's 20 and 20.
If I would have found a 13.
20 and 20, dog. I'm just like, that's insane, dude. Man, that is insane. Watch, someone's gonna watch this and they bought a size 11, and they're gonna be like throwing stuff at their TV screen or their, oh man, because that's what I would be doing. I'd be so mad. That was a size 11, but that's just too insane. I had to show you guys. Be True Air Max 97s going for $120. Yeah, fools, I did pick it up. I'm not just leaving it there. $110 for the air structures. Those are gonna fall instantly. More Jordans. I'm moving up to size 12s because F that, dude, that's crazy. Dude, 200, and then you get the extra discounts. And then another one right here. Are you effing serious? Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm stealing Bosco's idea. Look at that. All those for freaking 20 and 20. So all those are going for what, 120 something? Like one. Oh my God, that's insane. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna try these on, man. I definitely did not get these. The outlet game, the way it works is, hey, sometimes you find it for half size up, half size down, you just try it on if it works good enough. So let's try these on. I did wear slides, but yeah, I've been doing this for a while, so yeah, I did bring some socks. Man, these mother lovers, they fit fine, dude. Son of a man, I might have to grab these. They're, man, to get it at that price, really? Yeah, was that 120 something? It's all right. I didn't really count on getting these Palominos. They fit freaking perfect. So all right, let's continue to look around. All right, I'm just kind of jumping around. Pegasus 40 size 11 go for 65. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures go for 75. Pegasus 39 OTCs. I think one of you guys in the comment section said that's what the Oregon Track Club or something. I don't remember. Shoot, I'm gonna have to go back. My bad for not remembering 65 for those. Got Cortezes right here. Rarely ever see Cortezes. Oh, this is a whip. Is this? That's weird. Why is the women's on top? Usually the men's is on top, isn't it? I don't know. But yeah, this is a size 9. Yeah, man. Retail plus 20 and 20. 10 and a half plethora of these. Going for $60. You get that extra 20 on top of that. And Jordan 37 lows go for $88. LeBron 19 lows, 80. Dude, got these Air Force One mids $130. Bossco has a boner because he's seeing one of these, the pandas. We were talking about it. Sneaker of 2020.
Sitting at the outlets now.
Yeah, that's a size 12 too, right?
No, 15.
Size 15. God, good lord. But yeah, seeing pandas and they're on sale, you get an extra 20% off. An extra 20% off.
Crazy.
Who would have thunk that would have ever happened?
Yeah,
but hey, sneaker game's different now. Got some Cosmic Unity 2s, go for 80, and then Cosmic Unity 3s 85. Only $5 difference. Air Force One Flyees? What the hell? There's a Flyees version of these? How is this a Flyees? I'm so confused. How is this a Flyees? I don't understand it. Like, usually helps you put this on and off. I don't know. But yeah, $110 for those. Just looks like a regular Jordan 1. Low, it looks like a regular Jordan 1. Low, it looks. Metcon's down to $65. That is hella cheap. That is a size 12. Infinity Rung React Flyknit 3s. And the 4s, apparently, they're using Zoom X or React X. My bad, they're using React X, which is kind of crazy. These are going for $95. Pretty decent color. Cosmic Unity 4s, $80 for those. Got a few Jordan 37 boxes right here. What are these? Oh, okay. Yeah, we've seen these a bunch. Never mind. Forget them. That was a 12 and 9. That's size 13. Let's see, is this a different one? These are going for a little more. Okay, these are the lows. $175 for these. Size 14. Extra big feet gang. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s. They've had these here for a while. $230. I would have thought they'd drop the price more. Air Max 90s. Black and white. Classic colorway. $120. Okay. Some Forces with some dark mustard yellow. $150. Got some Jordans mids, Jordan 1 mids, $125. 15s. Got these bad boys right here. Kill Shot 2s go for $85. Infinity Tours. So not the Next Percent does have React in it. Go for $80. And got some Jordans. Got some Jordan 7s, $210 for these bad boys. Air Force One, Nike by You, $73. This is it's all canvas. Okay. Forgot to let you all know, I'm checking out the smaller sizes now. What the hell is that? You don't need that. Jordan 1 lows, $110 for those. That's a 10. Zoom Flight 95's going for way too much at a $160. Structure OG's going for $100. Wow. Do got the Jordan 4. Is it the Thunders? Thunders. Like I said, the Jordan 4 Thunders. Be able to get this for 20% off and 20% off. That is pretty fire. Pretty fire. I am a huge fan of the Jordan Hydro Slides. Last 2 videos I've been wearing the Jordan Hydro Slides. These are fire. All right, I did put the box as best as I could. Extra discount, not bad. LeBron Next Gens. I saw the red tag. I was like, is it cheaper? No, not really. Alpha Fly Next Percent 2s. Yeah, these are $275. That's too much. Extra discount, not too bad. And we got some Jordans. Which Jordans are these? Some Jordan 37 lows. It's a colorway I've never seen before. Okay, I have no clue which one that is. But that is pretty fire. It's a Beijing one. I don't know. Okay. A Jordan 2s right here. Pretty decent discount. We've seen those for cheaper at some of the retail shops, to be honest. Size 7.5 Air Force Ones. Pretty solid price, not bad. And one last pair, 8.5 Jordan 1 low golf, or Jordan 1 high, my bad. Jordan 1 high golf. Some of that extra glossy leather on it. Not too bad. Not the greatest, but at $90, can you complain? Especially with an extra 2020. I'm gonna ask one of the workers about this. They're kind of busy right now. So let's look at the aisles real quick, and then I'll ask about those if you get that extra 20 off. I think they said the sale is going to, like, I think mid or late next, or this upcoming week. So do have some time. I think they said like 27th or so. I need to look up, I need to ask one more time. Jordan Luca 1s, One Take 4s, Jordan Hydro 3 white cements, 37. This is a premium, and this is not a premium. Apparently you do get an extra 20 off of all this stuff, which is dope. Jordan Access, got a couple of these. Jumpman 2021s, 11 Low Comforts, Delta 3 lows, couple of Max Auras, couple of the Jordan Liftoffs as well. Jordan Liftoff, Jumpman Team 2s, 6 rings right there. Jordan 1 Low Golf, get that extra. Oh, actually, this is a 0-0, so I don't know if you get that extra 20% off. I think usually with the 0-0s, you don't get any discounts. So the Dub Zeros and the Jordan 7 Black Olives, you guys got that right in the comment section. I've been waiting to hear a reply back from the person. But yeah, they didn't reply. I said I'd give $5 to whoever named that correctly. Actually, I didn't say that. Balling on the Budget said that, but I said I'd cover it, but that person hasn't got back to me. But yeah, some alley-oops. These are the SB alley-oops. And then we got the Blazer Lows, Sakai's. Freaking Sakai collabs and people aren't on them, I guess. And then we got another collab right here, the Waffles Sakai collab. Another one right here. This is Undercover Sakai Nike collab, I believe. And then the acronyms, got all kinds of collabs and, you know, bad timing, dude. Bad timing. I think bad silhouettes too. You got Blazers, Blights 89s. I don't think I've seen that colorway, have I? I don't know. And these, get that extra 20 off. Air Force One low utilities, regular lows. So no discount on this one. Here's our answer. You did get a discount on these. No discount on the Billie Eilish. You do get a cool box. Billie Eilish dancing right there. There's that Nike dude. I don't know. But then you also get 20% off of these because it does end at 99. Air Force One. These are the undefeated collabs. They go up to size 11. So we did get our answer. Some of these you do get 20% off, some of them you don't. Gonna depend on whether you see a 99 or you don't. So you're just gonna ask about each one. See what's up with the clearance apparel. Do got a bunch of fleece right here. $70 for these. Got the tech fleece right here, which I'm not a too big fan of. They're tech pack, but pretty much tech fleece. I'm not a fan. 70 for these. Colorway for this is just awful. I'm just not a fan of the how it looks too. But you know, they're cheap. They're 70 bucks as opposed to normally what, 150 or something. Do have a really, really nice hoodie right here. This is super nice. This is a medium. Oh, it's not even a hoodie. It's just a pullover. And that is hella nice. Normally 95 down to 50 to get an extra 20 off on top. Then you got fleece right here, $50. That, or 45, my bad, that's triple XL. And you got this extra fluffy thing, $60 for this Jordan. It's super fluffy. Holy cow, that's like hella warm. And you got this right here. We saw this last week and there was a lot of the same stuff. And this one right here, just mostly t-shirts, Howard t-shirts. We took a look at this last week and there wasn't much. All right, we're gonna take a look at the women's section real quick and then I'm gonna go buy these goddamn Jordans. Women's section, you got the black cement 3 gold. I don't know, whatever the hell these are called. 2 bills for those. That's the size, what, 8.5, size 7 women's. Or size 8.5 women's, size 7 men's. Do you got Jordan 1 lows? It's a size 10. It's a men's size. Size 10 right here. Did I show these last week? 55. This is a Pegasus 34. Down to 40, so that's a 6-year-old shoe. How are they just coming out with that? That's crazy. Even if it's refurbished, that's crazy. Metcon 8's going for 65. Gently worn. Infinity Run Flyknits. These go for 80. And you get that 20%. That's the size 10.5 women's. Gently worn. Air Force One. Oh, this is a 6Y. These look pretty decent. 100 bucks. Flyknit Racers go for $70. That's cheaper than the Ross because you get an extra 20 and 20. Invincible Run Flyknits. What is the price? 90 bucks. Oh, these aren't even. These are Zoom flies. We saw this last week. I made the same mistake. Damn, they're getting me, fools. Size 8.5. We do have the Jordan 1 low OGs, the Chicago to UNCs, or the UNC to Chicago. And yeah, be able to get 20, 28. That's not bad at all, dude. I guess it's 37, size 9.5, go for 55. That's how a deal. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s down to $80. That's a size 8. Or that's a size 8 men's, 9.5 women's. Blazer lows going for 70. Max 97s going for $170. Got some Harachis going for $125. Women's section, not too bad, not too great. Men's section, definitely a lot more deals right now, but yeah, I don't think there's really much else. Let's go home, talk about these bad boys. Let me go pay for this and let's go talk about this. Yeah, man, freaking $140, and that's after tax. So 128, are you serious? 128, that is insane. Damn, you know what, let's go home and let's talk about these, man. Let's talk about these and just Jordan release in general. All right, let's go. All right, guys, man, y'all saw that video. The Nike outlet trips are getting so much more interesting. 20% off plus 20% off. The back wall, that is freaking fire. 20% off the aisles and anything that ends with a 99. or 97. Pretty freaking sweet. And I did grab these bad boys right here, Jordan 3 Palominos. And these are right. These are right. I'm gonna be honest. These are one of my favorites. I'm not gonna front say, hey, these are the dopest pairs. I'm not gonna say the material's just fantastic. It's okay. It's okay. It has that crack leather. I'm kind of tired of the crack leather. But it is a Jordan 3. I do like the Jordan 3 silhouette. One of my favorite silhouettes. And I don't have that many colorways, and definitely don't have too many elephant prints that are a different color. This has that mocha flavor on it, and yeah, these are definitely a nice pair. It's not like they were used or anything. You know, they do seem brand new, no wear and tear. And that's kind of how I am right now. Jordan releases, unless I really want the pair, I'm gonna see if I find at the outlets. That's kind of how this channel started. I was going out to outlets, was finding Jordans and stuff like that, and that's kind of how this channel started. So yeah, I think we're getting pretty close. You know, people don't have the government money and stuff, so people actually have to spend their actual regular money, and that just leaves it to a sneakerhead to buy way too many sneakers. So pretty fire. Hope you guys are out finding stuff. Hope you guys are making waves, and hope you guys are having some success. I've been hearing a bunch of you guys finding Jordan, these Jordan 3 Palominos, as well as other Jordans. Heard the Jordan 1 Black Toes, hearing a bunch of other stuff. So congrats to you guys, and hopefully that continues. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Definitely trying to get you guys as much footage out there, and trying to get you guys as much content. I have a collection video. I've been working on it for the last, I want to say, a week. I need to get it together, and I need to get that out to you guys as soon as possible. But yeah, I got plenty coming, you guys. Make sure you guys help with. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. Yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Got plenty coming up. You know, it is what it is. Let's go Niners. See you guys next one. Peace. That was an awkward ending, man. What the hell, man? Apparently, they just started a new sale at the Nike outlets. 20% off all sneakers. Then of course you do get an extra 20 off the back wall, so I don't know, is that 38% or something? And of course when this happens, you have to look at the back wall, and you have to look for the dopest J's. And of course, Jordan 3 retros, are you serious? The Palominos, be able to get this for, I don't know, 120 something? Or you could grab a Jordan 2 right here, size 11. Oh, my bad, size 10. Or if you're a size 11, you can grab one of these, the Jordan 12. These bad boys just released. Be able to get those at a steep discount. Of course, that means you also get an extra 20% off most of the sneakers in the aisles. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because I got a full video coming out. Make sure you guys check out the Cool Kicks YouTube channel if you guys see this on Instagram.